Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today I will show you how to track my AliExpress order. Open AliExpress application on your phone, go to your account at the bottom right corner of your screen and go to My Orders section. Now find order that you want to track and click Track Order button, or it can say View Details. So now you should see something similar like this. This is tracking information page where you can see basically your estimate delivery time, your carrier, your tracking number, and of course your shipment updates right here. So it can say, like mine screenshot says, shipment ready for dispatch, or it can say arrived at sorting center, ready for delivery, etc. But if the built-in tracker, if you don't like this built-in tracker, you can copy your tracking number by tapping this button, and it will copy your tracking number for you and paste it into universal tracker like 17 track. This is the tracker that AliExpress suggests me, and you can see there even more detailed shipping updates. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.